नमस्कार to Subhendu ji.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, shall we start, sir?
Yeah, please. Other guests are also there. Abhishek ji, Santosh ji, and others.
No, sir. Today only
They will be having their session
हाँ,
later. Okay.
Later, sir.
Absolutely. Subhendu ji का अभी है.
Sir. So Priyanka, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, distinguished guest, Dr. Subhendu Mukherjee, faculty members, researchers, students, and all participants who have joined today's section. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to 3-day national webinar on AI-driven drug discovery, academic insights, and industry perspectives organized by the Faculty of Pharmacy, C.V. Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar, in association with AIC, Entrepreneurship Development Cells, Institution Innovation Council, C.V. Raman Global, C.V. Raman Pharmacy, C.V. Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar, and Engineering Foundation. On behalf of the organizing committee, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. We are delighted to have such an enthusiastic gathering of academicians, researchers, industry professionals, and students for this important scientific event. The pharmaceutical industry is currently undergoing a remarkable transformation driven by artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, bioinformatics, and computational drug design. These technologies are revolutionizing the way medicines are discovered, developed, and delivered. This webinar has been designed to provide a platform for knowledge exchange, collaboration, and discussion on these emerging trends that are shaping the future of healthcare and pharmaceutical sciences. Over the next 3 days, we will have the opportunity to learn from renowned experts from industry who will share their experiences, insights, and perspectives on AI-enabled drug discovery and pharmaceutical innovation. Today marks the beginning of this enriching scientific journey, and I am confident that all participants will gain valuable knowledge and inspiration from the sessions planned. Before we proceed further with today's keynote lecture, it is my privilege to invite a respected academician and an inspiring personality to share few words with us. At this juncture, I would like to humbly invite our respected convener, Professor Dr. Amir Kumar Prusti, Dean Faculty of Pharmacy, C.V. Raman Global University, to deliver the inaugural address and formally welcome the gathering. Sir, we kindly request you to address the audience.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. So, good afternoon, all. Respected Vice Chancellor, sir, and today's distinguished guest, Dr. Subhendu Mukherjee, faculties and student participants from various organizations inside and outside Odisha. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this insightful webinar on AI-driven drug discovery, academic insights, and industry perspective. Today, we stand at the convergence and pharmaceutical innovation, where algorithm meets molecules and data meets discovery. So drug discovery has traditionally been the integrative academic works, while industry and real-world applications. The strategy is what we celebrate and explore in this webinar in the next 3 days. So let us use this platform to envision a future where AI augments human intelligence, not replace it, where ethical frameworks guide innovation, and where interdisciplinary collaboration becomes the norm. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our organizing committee, speakers, and participants for making this event possible. May the coming 3 days discussions inspire new partnerships, novel ideas, and impactful research that advances global health. Once again, thank you all, and wish a happy learning in these 3 days. Priyanka?
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words and for highlighting the importance of embracing emerging technologies in pharmaceutical education and research. Now, I would like to respectfully invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Dr. Bansidhar Majhi, sir, to formally inaugurate the webinar and bless the participant with his inaugural address. Sir, we humbly request you to kindly inaugurate the webinar and address the gathering. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. At the very outset, I welcome Professor Subhendu online to our C.V. Raman Global University, and as well as to all the delegates or the participants, our own faculty colleagues, students from different places. As the 3 day journey is getting started today, is a privilege that we are assembled to inaugurate this particular event. And the topic is AI-driven drug discovery, where again academic insights and industry perspectives. I'm a man from computer science, and worked, of course, in artificial intelligence last almost 35 years. But again, I work on the medical image processing, and the topic is a completely different. Your drug discovery and the pharmaceutical sciences itself is a different domain of research, and that all is a complete different faculty. But as all of us understand that during the last almost a decade, even though AI has started in the year 1950s, even like when the microbeats and the different scientists have started talking about neurons and its capability, and it has started with a purpose that how to do different things, like what the human being is doing initially started. And because of the various constraints, it was remained, or the final outcome was expert systems, like is a yes no kind of things, like we give the inputs, get the corresponding predictions. But in the last almost 2 decades, because of the technology change, because of the your processors, multiprocessing systems, distributed systems, the scenario in the computing platform has got changed. AI has really come off in a very, very rapid way. And today we talk different things, like we talk about AI, machine learning, deep learning, other techniques. And you can see now a plethora of tools that has been designed for various different purpose. And it has invaded, this artificial intelligence has invaded not only the simple aspects of life, but also you start talking about healthcare, you talk about your manufacturing, you talk about travel, whatever you talk about. AI has become taken a front seat. And without AI, like you can see, when we are Google search also we are doing, Google has come with Gemini. So many tools has been developed and they are making a change, or so to say, we say it is a disruptive technology. And initially people were talking whether we should adopt AI or we should not adopt AI. But presently everybody says there is no way out of without adopting AI, because AI is a part of our own problem solving or the way of living. And definitely pharmaceutical science is also will take the advantage of this AI tool. But as it is rightly said also that AI has to be used. It has got own issues and challenges, how to use it very ethically, how to use it in the purpose for which it can get right outcomes. But also there are challenges if it is misutilized, wrongly utilized, and it has got many things. So that the user has to decide, or there must be very like critically used so that the outcomes are good for the humanity. And I remember, like when this COVID-19 has come in, and when the drug was supposed to be discovered, and Bharat pharmaceuticals, they were doing some kind of, like trials are on, this may take this many days, that many days. Everybody was waiting in a very, very eager way that how fast it can be done, how fast it can be coming to the market for the savior, as a savior for the humanity. And I think such kind of, that was also a part of a drug discovery. And in these particular pharmaceutical sciences, mostly on the drug discovery aspects, like target identification, validation, you know, clinical trial optimization, all these things, definitely AI will support or AI will help, so that either we generate personalized drug, analyzing the different patterns of the human nucleotides or whatever we say. And so this will be of great use. And I'm sure many directions of research has come in, and many of you will be working in the similar directions. The speakers are having a great background, great exposure. Professor Mukherjee already, he himself is a part of the Dr. Reddy's ancillary lab and has got a wide experience in this field. And similarly, the other um, speakers. I think these 3 days, today, 23rd, 24th, 25th, will be a good way of collaborations, good way of discussion academically. And I think the participants will definitely will be beneficial. So wishing all good luck, and also requesting all the participants to interact with the experts very proactively, so that your like 3 days journey in this particular workshop will be beneficial. With this note, again, once again, my welcome to the all delegates and Professor Shubhendu to this particular 3-day workshop. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and visionary words. Your insights have inspired all of us to contribute meaningfully to scientific advancement and societal development. Now, I request our distinguished guest, Dr. Subhendu Mukherjee, to share his insightful thought to the participants.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. So as Professor, the Vice Chancellor Omeo, and yourself pointed out some time back, that I completely agree that we are indeed living in an exciting time where AI is not only gradually but rather drastically transforming the way we think, the way we act, the way we manage and execute day-to-day activities, and most importantly, the way we discover new medicines. Now, all of you must be knowing that the journey from a simple molecule to an approved medicine is time-taking, and at the same time, it's uncertain. And most of the time, the worst fact is the most of the time it fails. We all know that. But if it succeeds, it takes at least 10 years time at the cost of $1 billion. I mean, that is what economists say, to bring one single approved drug to the patients. And this, I feel, is largely because the human body, the human biology is extraordinarily complex. And even with the best of the sciences that we have, we end up encountering unexpected problems. And since this process takes so much time, it takes so much money, I think that's the reason why application of state-of-the-art computational sciences and things like AI have become more crucial than ever. Now, just last week, I had the privilege of attending a tech summit in Mumbai, where all the IT heads of different software companies, particularly those companies working at the interface of AI and life sciences, as well as IT heads of leading pharmaceutical companies across India, assembled to discuss all the latest happenings in AI. Particularly the way AI is getting penetrated into our industry, particularly. So I will tell you, things are at a different level altogether and completely unprecedented. And that's that's the reason why I think faculty members, particularly Pharmacy Council of India, I'm not sure who sets the syllabus these days for B.Pharm and M.Pharm, they should think of incorporating all these relevant subjects into the curriculum. And even if these subjects are not there, it's also equally important for the students, particularly, to learn all these advancements in technology so that we remain in competition. So with these few words, I just wanted to share with you all. So that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
So
sir.
let me know when when I'm supposed to start the lecture, then I can share. I prepared some slides for you all.
Yes, you, sir, in just a few
Okay.
minutes. Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable insights with us. Now I request Dr. S.S. Hota, sir, Associate Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, C.V. Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar, to deliver vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So I take this